In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat tasks in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to turn any one-off task into a recurring task that automatically shows up on your to-do list at the right time, without you having to recreate it over and over again. Let's start from your main Todoist view. Open your Todoist app or web browser and go to your task list, for example the Today view or any project where your task lives. Find the task you want to repeat. This might be something you do regularly, like checking in with clients, paying a bill, or doing a weekly review. Click on that task to open its detail view. This will bring up all the information for that task, including the name, description, and scheduling options. Inside the task window, look for the current date or the schedule area. This is usually shown as a date next to a small calendar icon. Click directly on that date. This is how you tell Todoist when your task is due, and it's also where you'll set up the repeating schedule. A calendar or date picker will appear. Here, first choose the initial date when you want this task to occur. For example, if you want it to start next Monday, simply click on that day in the calendar. Setting the correct starting date is important because your repeating pattern will be based on this first occurrence. Once you've chosen your date, look for an option labeled Repeat within the same date scheduling area. Click on Repeat to open the recurring settings. This is where the real power of Todoist comes in for automating your routine work. You'll now see different repeat options. Depending on your needs, you can choose something like every day, every week, every month, or every year. For instance, if you have a task you want to do every weekday, you can select an option like every weekday. If it's a monthly task, choose a monthly pattern that works best for you, such as the same day each month. Take a moment to review your choice and make sure it matches how often you truly want to see this task. When you're happy with the repeat setting, confirm or save your changes. From now on, every time you complete that task,